guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're here for the first time, then welcome. Hey, what's up? If you are here to see how I got this look inspired by Ari, we all know Ari, the real Kyle sister, then keep watching. But before we get into the videos, don't forget to subscribe here if you haven't. Join the gang. I promise you won't regret it. And yeah, without further ado, we gonna get into this look, honey. Okay. So the hair in today's video is this hair from Unice hair, the 13x4 lace frontal wig, full pre-made wig. I have a video on this hair. It will be linked right here, or is it right here? Right here, I think. And it will also be in the description box, so you can check it out. So the first order of service, as you guys can tell from the title, we are going to be creating this look. So first order of service is this hair is body wave, so we got to get it bone straight. So I'm going to be using my Conair flat iron. I think I got this from Walgreens or Walmart, or I think I got this from, yeah, Walgreens. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be using to flat iron our hair. We want to make sure that the frontal part at least is very nice and sleek, so that we could part how we want it. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Before we get to flat ironing, I'm gonna just part the hair so that we know which way, we know how we're gonna flat iron it. Okay, so it is a deep side part, not so deep, yeah. So it's like right here. So we're gonna part from right here, and we're gonna make sure that the part goes in like a swoop. You might have to pluck at the lace a little bit. Not too sure yet. We shall see. It's looking good. It's looking good right now. So we're gonna tuck this. Oh, it's looking real good. We don't even got the baby hairs action going on right now. All right, so now we're gonna flat iron the frontal so that this side could lay really flat. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Trying not to burn my scalp, because that's what this lace is giving, okay? It's giving scalp, honey. So we got to be careful. Okay, so now that that's flat ironed, it's pretty flat, but you can go over it again with your hot comb. I don't really feel like doing that, so I'm not going to. So now the next step is to swoop it. So now I'm gonna part the swoop. And push everything else back. So now with everything pushed back, I'm gonna part the swoop bit by bit. Comb it into place. Nice little swooping motion. As I'm combing it, I'm swooping it behind my ears. Don't forget your little edges. Make sure your edges is out. So as I'm combing it behind my ears, I'm going to take a little bit of Got2b and spray it. And this is also why I did my makeup before, because I know that this is going to cover part of my face and I ain't feel like trying to get under the hair with makeup. That's too much. So you spray and you comb into place. Look how sleek that looks. By the way, this is my first time trying this, so we doing this together, but I think we doing pretty good. So you're gonna part another section. Make sure you're not parting it in the middle part to make sure like you scrape that middle part off. Be gone, sis. So you part it. You're gonna comb it over again. Comb it down and in a swoop. Tuck and spray. And then once you spray, you're gonna comb, because this frontal does have flyaways, like shorter hairs. So we want to make sure all of that is gone. All of that is tucked. Once you tuck it, you're gonna spray it again. So it's nice and slick. So moving on. Wanna like be careful with the part. You don't want to part the part going down. You kind of want to like part it in like a U shape, because we're gonna do some baby hairs on this side. So now with this final piece, you're gonna comb it like downward and then swing it across. So now before I even swoop it, I'm gonna spray it. And then do it bit by bit. I don't really want this Got2b to be on my face. It breaks me out sometimes. So we're gonna swoop this like that. So now that it's there, what we gonna do, spray it again. And boom. Slick. I'm feeling like putting it in a ponytail. But we ain't gonna do that because Ari ain't have a ponytail. So now that this is slick like so, I'm going to take my satin scarf and tie it down. Don't judge my scarf, she a little dusty. So this is being tied down to set this swoop in place, and as the swoop is setting, I'm going to flat iron the rest of my head. Alright, so we finished flat iron the hair, nice and sleek and straight, honey. Let's take this off. I'm pretty hot. Oh, look at that shine. Yes, tuck it behind the ear. Alright, but we're not done. See this part? She needs some definition. So we gonna define her. So I'm gonna take my concealer, of course, and we're gonna rub that in. Not rub, we're gonna dab it in, just to bring some life and color to that part. Alright, boom. Much better. Much better. So now we could just comb that hair down. Yo, this shit is crisp. We're gonna comb the hair down. And now the fun part, the baby hairs. Let's zoom in. So she had a baby hair here, and I know she had one right here. I really didn't want to put baby hairs in this wig, but we're gonna do what it do. So we're gonna take our what's this called, eyebrow razor. We're just gonna cut a short hair. Boom. Then we're going to take this baby hair. Don't run. Don't run. So we're going to take our Nairobi, put that here in the back of our hand. Oop, oop. It's dripping. Could rub the excess on your hair, because we're going to get to that anyway. So might as well put some there. So when it's on the back of my hand, I usually just dip my edge brush in there, and we're gonna swoop it. I'm gonna use the comb part since I have makeup on. So that is really all for this look. I was struggling with this baby hair, so we're gonna leave it as simple as it is right here. And this is what it looks like. Yes guys, so that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video watching me get this look, I'm so proud of myself. This is my first time trying this, and it looks pretty good. Oh, it looks real good. I'm about to take some pictures for the gram right now, because you know we're not going nowhere. We all on lockdown. But yes, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe below if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.